The feud between Randy Orton and Alexa Bliss took a strange turn once the Viper coughed up a black liquid. Orton fled the scene once he coughed up what we think is black blood. Bliss even taunted the Viper after the bizarre incident, but she took it up a notch on Raw. Bliss played a part in Orton's match against AJ Styles in the main event of Raw. In a backstage interview, AJ Styles poked the bear by talking about Randy Orton's issues with The Fiend. He finds it hard to believe that Orton took out The Fiend but is being haunted by Alexa Bliss. He poked fun at the voices in Orton's head and the voodoo nonsense in there too. In walked Orton, interrupting Styles. "Are you trying to tell me there's something funny about a grown man having his mind messed with?" asked the Viper. "I don't think it's funny, I think it's weak," retorted Styles. The enraged Viper challenged Styles to a match on Raw, which the Phenomenal One accepted. Prior to the main event, both Orton and Styles were interviewed. Sarah Schreiber informed the Viper that superstars were concerned about his mental health, which surprised him. He declared that there's nothing wrong with him, and that Styles should watch out for the RKO. Styles stated that he will deal a big loss to Orton on the road to WrestleMania before making his entrance. A victory against AJ Styles with Omos by his side is a big flex. It would surely put Orton on the right path towards WrestleMania. However, Orton's nemesis cost him a surefire victory. Orton and AJ put on a great main event, typical of their talents. The Viper continued his streak of excellent matches on Raw, his last dud coming against none other than Bray Wyatt himself. Smooth transitions, quick counters, and high-impact offense defined this excellent bout. Orton connected with the draping DDT and looked to hit the RKO. As Orton dropped to the mat, waiting for his opponent to rise, Omos pulled Styles out of the ring and out of the jaws of certain defeat. With Orton alone in the ring, the lights turned purple, and Bliss appeared on the screen. She blew out a matchstick and the ring posts exploded. Inside the ring, the Viper began coughing up the same black blood that he coughed up last week. The distraction allowed AJ Styles to recover and connect with a match-winning phenomenal forearm.